Happy New Year. Happy 2024. Let's rip. Holiday Blaster Box. Last one at Walmart tonight. Had to run in and grab a few things on my way home. So we grabbed some Donruss football. Last box magic. See what we got here. Holiday Blaster. Kid Reporter coming up. You know that. Watching some bad movies tonight. Got the equalizer on. Do a quick little rip. Searching for down pounds. A lot of packs in here, though. Did a good break today. NT got a sweet hit for the Phillies. Alright, here we go. Fan. I don't know. Isaiah Simmons, Cedric Wilson, Noah Fant, Keenan Allen, Isaiah Pacheco, Kirk Cousins, A.J. Brown, Romeo Dobbs, Gabe Davis, Dawson Knox, Kyle Duggar, Jacoby Myers, good year, Brian Branch, good rookie, Broderick Jones, good rookie, Legends Series, Brian Young, nah. Alright, first pack, C-. That might be generous. No Kid Reporter, though. Alright. Pack 2. Bobby Wagner. Tyson Campbell. Vitavea. Jerry Jeudy. Dalton Schultz. Stephon Gilmore. Deontay Johnson. Hayden Hurst. Mr. Hutch. Jeffrey Simmons. T. Higgins. D. Greenlaw. There's a good card. Anthony Richardson, rookie. B.J. Ojulari, rookie. And a White Hot Rookies, Dalton Kincaid. Pack 2, A-. Alright, pack 3, Cam Jordan, Justin Tucker, Ben Skoranek, Buda Baker, Alex Highsmith, Tyler Smith, Devin Singletary, George Karlaftis, Jermar Jefferson, Desmond Ritter, Matthew Judon. Here we go. Saquon, Justin Shorter, meh. Jordan Addison, good rookie. Clayton Tune, I believe on the, I forget what they call that. No good though. D on that pack. Maybe even a D-. Alright. Roquan Smith. Jonathan Williams, Alvin Kamara, Shaq Barrett, Justin Jefferson, KJ Osborne, Rayshon Gary, Zaire Franklin, DeMar Hamlin, comeback player of the year probably, Juju, Jimmy Grapes, Chief Njoku, Mozzie Smith, rookie, Tanner McKee, rookie, Josh Allen on the Dominators. It's a cool card. Probably not worth a damn, but hey. That pack, C-. One to go after this. Travis Etienne, Terry McLaurin, Bosa, Kenneth Walker, Leighton Vander Esch, Quez Watkins, DJ Chark, TJ Watt. A lot of filler with this product. Hassan, Logan Wilson, Debo, Jameson Williams. We got a patch sweater coming up. And something in the back. So we got a Jordan Addison. I don't know if that's called a color blast. What that is. That's a nice card. Dylan Horton. That's the back. Raiders. Michael Mayer, rookie. Holiday sweater. Not bad. I like it. Good player. I need to buy some thick holders. I ran out the other day. So last pack. Let's see what we got. I think we got the Kid Reporter in the back. Absolute trash. Straight garbage. Aaron Donald. Tariq Woolen. Looks like no downtown for us. Van Jefferson. Rashad Bateman. Trayvon Diggs. Desmond King. Chris Jones. Travis Swift. Chandler Jones. Tyreek Hill. Kayvon Thibodeau. A.J. Terrell. Jonathan Jones. Will Levis, rookie. Byron Young, rookie. Boy, last pack. No last pack magic. Overall grade on the Donruss, C+ at best. Rough box, but alright, something fun. So check out the vid, like, subscribe, comment, hate. Hey, send some hate mail. Wouldn't care. Enjoy your night, have a good weekend, and again, Happy New Year.